Isn't this what we all want? A steady flow of high-quality end product, the whole site operating like a well-oiled machine. But in real life, there's always room for improvement. Some machines may be past their prime, causing bottlenecks or unplanned breaks, or there may be changes in the raw material, or new specifications for the end product, or new regulations, the need to reduce energy consumption, improve the safety of your staff, you name it. Don't worry. Your old site can be taught new tricks. Metso SiteBooster is more than just replacing a machine or two. Combining our knowledge with yours, we take 3 well-executed steps to better production: comprehensive audit, optimized redesign, and professional implementation, with Metso's solid project framework to see it all the way through. Here's a quarry that needed more capacity. The audit revealed that the crushing station was causing a bottleneck. We redesigned the site and implemented the new crushing station with the related structures. How about bigger changes? It's possible to build a replacement line parallel to the old one, to keep the site going until the switch. Hello, better capacity, easier maintenance access, and CE certificate, with moderate costs. Sometimes it's economical to relocate the whole site, reusing what you can. More quality, capacity, and safety. Less maintenance and environmental impact. Do you know what your site is really capable of? In 3 steps, Metso SiteBooster can unlock your plant's true potential with limited investment. It all starts with an audit, so ask for one right away.